Happy Easter everyone! At nandito nga kami ngayon sa Water Garden para i-celebrate yung Easter Sunday. Nakaka-excite kasi napakaraming bata at napakaraming activities ang naghihintay sa kanila.
Okay, are we good? Yes, guys, please be very careful with the birds. Yan. Fancy pigeons. Wow. Wow. Heart shell. Is it a heart shell? Is it a heart shell? Awesome.
Give your ticket. Ito ate.
Okay, this is for everybody. Okay.
Color? Pink. Thank you.
Okay, pagdalos
Thank you. A good day. Thank you.
Hindi abot. Sige lang, dalawa na kayo. Pwede na yan. Go, throw mo, baby.
Isa pa. Ang galing ah. Go. Oy, muntik na.
Yeah, I'm going back to the bouncy castle.
Wow! What is that? Ta-da! Wow! It's Hello Kitty. Wow! So pretty.
Gusto na ba ng magic?
Ayun anak, ayun anak. Smile. Happy day. Wow.
enter na enter. Pila na po tayo dito. Yan.
Huwag mo ihulog. Dito? Madami naman naman yan.
Balik na lang. Yes.
Dali, dali. Touch lang po, touch.
Touch na lang.
Baby pick an egg.
Oh, purple.
Can you open it, baby?
Sticker!
See a sticker. Say thank you po. Wow, Jesus!
And that's our Easter Sunday adventure. Sobrang napagod si Bagets pero sobrang sulit kasi ang dami niyang nasalihang activities. Kayo, paano niyo sinelebrate yung Easter Sunday niyo? Comment below!